Okay, this is a quick video discussing washing machine agitator dogs. My washing machine stopped working, so I purchased a kit from Amazon made by BlueStars, and the kit contains pretty much everything you need to rebuild the agitator on the washing machine, or the insides of the agitator. The way an agitator normally should work, it will spin one direction and then it kind of locks in when you try to turn it in the other direction. When it is bad, it will easily spin in both directions by hand. And inside, let me get some light down here. The way it actually should work, focus, you have these little dogs down here, if you can see that. They call them dogs, and they bite into the planetary gear. And this is working now because I have replaced them with these BlueStars agitator dogs. It's a very easy repair, and I won't get into it here. There's hundreds of videos on YouTube talking about the repair. But what I will discuss in this video, it's a manufacturing defect on the dogs themselves. So the following clips will describe it. And once again, this is the BlueStar agitator kit that I purchased from Amazon, and it contains dogs that have an excessive amount of plastic in the molding of the dog. And that excessive plastic prevents the teeth of the dog from engaging in the planetary gear of the agitator. So the dogs will work if you trim off that excessive plastic, but it's just for these folks that do the job in 5 minutes and they just plop these right inside of their agitator. They may only get one dog to bite in the agitator to stop it from spinning, as opposed to having all four engage and lock the agitator in place. So now this agitator with the black dot is the untouched. This is how I received it, with the excess plastic, and you can see that it's not engaging on the planetary gear because the plastic pushes it away. It doesn't allow the teeth of the dog to come in contact with the teeth of the planetary gear. And if I spin it around to get to another dog that I have cut the plastic away, you can see it just bites nice and tight. And I did that with 3 of the 4 dogs, and all 3 that I trimmed the excess plastic away from, they bite real nice. But the dog where I put the black dot, this dog has the excess plastic from the factory, and it does not bite into the planetary gear. So if I did not trim off the plastic off of all 4, then it would be real hit or miss working on the washing machine. Okay, and with the cam removed, this is the Agitator dog that doesn't have the plastic trimmed. See if we can get a good picture of it there. You can see that excess plastic around it. If I spin a dog, spin it around, you can see these other agitators. The plastic is all trimmed off nice. But the dog, and there you can see it. And that's the way they all looked. All four looked like that before I trimmed them off. Just pull that off. Alright, I just completed removing the plastic, the excess plastic off of the Agitator dog with the black dot, and now you can see that it fully engages, no problem, which is the way it's supposed to work, which is the way they all work. So that's it. The BlueStars Agitator dog kit. They're good parts, but just a little bit sloppy with the manufacturing, where you shouldn't be in such a big hurry to put them in the Agitator and seal it up. Inspect the parts first, make sure that there's no excess plastic that would prevent the dog from coming in contact with the gear, the planetary gear around the Agitator. That excess plastic was kind of keeping the dog from coming in contact. It was like a standoff. It's working great now. There we go. Okie dokes. Hope this helps somebody else. Thanks.